Hi everyone, today in front of me I have Doogee S98 smartphone, and in today's video we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you want to open up the Google Play Store app. At the search bar type in Opera, just like so. Next click on this green install button and wait for the application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and open it. Here at the starting step of the setup process, you gotta tap on this blue continue button, then decide whether some of the options and features the Opera browser has to offer will be enabled from the start. I'll enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. After that, at the final action that you need to perform is to either customize the permissions and accesses you are going to either, well, allow or restrict the Opera from, or just allow everything that it needs, which I'll do myself. And after that, you can go ahead and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.